you how to get to your instructor resources and MindTap. So you go to our website, put in your email, click next. It'll prompt you for a password. We want the word welcome with a capital W and the number 2. This will take you into your instructor resource site. This book, the Evergreen book, you can add any of our books to that site. So here we are. This is where you can add any books. This is your Evergreen book. And there should be an instructor resource thing here, I think. Well, maybe there isn't for this book. Click here to get to your test generator and test bank. So click on Evergreen here, and this will take you into MindTap. So MindTap is essentially our ebook and a bunch of online resources incorporated into it. So you can go in here and play and explore all you want. So basically, there's a video that explains it. There's a pre-writing activity. And here on the left, we call it our learning path, but essentially it's the table of contents. So for each unit, it's pretty much the same. So we have the chapters, and we'll just take chapter 1. And it starts out with a little activity worth 2 points. Everything here can be set to be a grade. It can be set for practice, or it's easy to hide it. Right here, when you see this icon, that's the ebook. And the ebook is identical to the printed book. Excuse me. It does have a few advantages in that students can easily highlight things. They can add notes. You, the instructor, can even highlight it, and it goes to all of the students. Or you can add a note, and that would go to all the students' ebooks. It can be read to them. There's a mobile app, so they could listen to the book on their phone. So essentially, then there's just other activities. So there's problem set. Give you a real quick look at that. These are all set up so that there's, in this case, 3 students can get. Each attempt is a little bit different content. They rearrange things, but it's similar problems. So there's usually some reading, then they'll answer some questions, and then they grade it. And then once they've graded it, I got all 3 of mine wrong, I can do it again. But not only do they grade it, but they'll try to give some sort of explanation, so students have a better idea of why they got it wrong. Now I could click on try another version, and I'm going to get a similar kind of problem. So that's the major part of the homework. There's a little quiz here on the chapter. Sometimes there's a writer's workshop. Here are some video quizzes. So they're going to watch a video and then take a quiz. So it doesn't matter what chapter you go to. Essentially, you're going to have some reading. You'll have some activities. You'll have some homework and a quiz. There's a writer's workshop here. Under this, reviewing the basics. This is just review for all of these kind of activities and grammar items. Under resources for teaching, there's a transition, there's rubrics, and so on. So that's an extremely quick look. We can sure go over it more in depth with you. We're able to integrate this in the Blackboard. Like I said, I'm not sure if you can do it yourself for this year, but let me know what your thoughts and how we can help you in the future. Thanks and have a great day.